Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a web-based PDF generator and editor tool from scratch in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this is actually the source code here. This is a single file index.html, about 2200 lines of code is there. So it's a single page application. So it directly runs in the browser. There is no backend to it. So let me show you the demo. So once you run the file here, it directly runs in the browser. It's similar to Canva, where you edit your PDF files directly in the browser. So you can directly purchase the source code. I have given the link in the description. So after purchasing it, you will get this file from Google Drive. And now coming back to the application, you basically select the PDF file, whatever PDF file you want to edit. After that, it will show you the number of pages. And then we have these tools out there where you can actually highlight your PDF file using this pen operator. You can just see here, go to the next page, do the same thing. You also have the capability to change the color here to green color, as you can just see. We also have capability to add text here. So you basically can add text here, multiple text. And using the select operator, you can actually position it, align it perfectly. Then you also have capability to add images. Simply select the image and just place it. And then we also have the operator to actually hide anything. So you select this operator and simply you can hide anything in the PDF here really simply. So this is a really web-based PDF editor and generator. It directly runs in the browser. And after making these changes, you can click the export PDF button. So once you click that button, everything will be exported. The changes that you have done, the images, text, highlighting that you done. So if you're interested guys, the link is given in the description. You can even modify anything or add additional features. So it's a single index.html file here. And apart from that, you also have the capability to add blank page and just write anything right here. You can add text, images like this. You can place this image accordingly. If you want to delete a page, you also have this button to delete this page. So that page will be deleted. If you want to create a duplicate page, you click the duplicate button. So now you will see that again you export PDF. So this will save you a lot of time because you don't need to use any third-party software for editing your PDF files. You can actually buy this source code and actually build your own PDF editor in simple HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So the link is given.